In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a file that you've downloaded from Google Drive. This process is straightforward and can be incredibly useful, especially if you're someone who downloads a lot of files and wants to keep track of where everything ends up. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're signed in to your Google account on your web browser. Having access to your account is important because that's where all your Google Drive files are stored and managed. This process works regardless of what device you're on, be it a desktop, laptop, or tablet, as long as you can access your web browser. Now, open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com into the address bar. Hit enter, and this should take you to the main interface of Google Drive. You'll be greeted with your familiar list of folders and files. If this is your first time using Google Drive, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with this setup, as it will help you navigate around more smoothly. Assuming you have already downloaded a file from Drive, the next step is to locate it. For this, you'll want to open your device's File Explorer, or the Downloads folder specifically, because that's typically where files from Google Drive are saved unless you've set a particular destination. On Windows, this would be within this PC in the Downloads directory, and for Mac users, it's usually found under the Finder within Downloads. If you have trouble finding your file directly, use the search functionality within your File Explorer. Simply type the name or type of file you're looking for. By default, files may download with the original name, but if you're not exactly sure what you named it, try searching by a keyword you remember. Sorting the files by date can also help, since the most recently downloaded files will appear at the top. Another great tip is accessing your browser's download history. You can do this by clicking on the three-dot menu in Chrome, go to Downloads, and then search there. This log is useful to see the most recent files downloaded and where they were saved. Finally, remember that staying organized will help prevent files from piling up in unknown locations. Habits like setting specific folders for downloads or naming your files distinctly can save you precious time in the future. And there you have it, a quick and detailed guide on locating your downloaded files from Google Drive. I hope you found this helpful, and you can now manage your downloads more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.